In Kaleidoscope Pro, you can build a simple or advanced classifier to help you isolate and name specific vocalizations. But before you can build a classifier, there's a basic condition that must be met. The first rule of building a classifier is that the basic cluster analysis batch process must produce solid results. I've done a basic cluster analysis on a set of recordings using the default settings of Kaleidoscope Pro. These settings are ideal for songbirds, and in my basic cluster analysis, I see that the second cluster is full of well-defined cardinals. This cluster is a good candidate for naming as a simple classifier, or even further refining as an advanced classifier to find cardinals in other recordings. But what if I want to build a classifier for owls, which generally have a lower frequency call than the cardinal? I've looked through these clusters, and I found a few owls scattered around cluster 35 or so. This really isn't an ideal cluster analysis scan to use as a foundation for creating an owl classifier. So I reset the maximum frequency parameter and lowered the FFT window size and did another cluster analysis scan. This time, I got a much smaller number of clusters, and owls show up right away. This would probably be a better cluster analysis to use if I did want to build a classifier to find and name owls. So there's the tip for today. Try to get your best possible basic cluster analysis results before you even consider building a simple or advanced classifier. Thank you for watching.